So I got these about a week and a half ago inside this white paper inside of this Nike box. Go ahead and slide this out. Here it is out of the box, so it's kind of torn there. Let's go ahead and take the paper off. And boom. All right, here is the official shoe box. Sorry, I've just been sitting on these for the last few weeks, but these are the Air Jordan 3 Retro OG SP colorway, white, black, Sport Royal, size 14 in these bad boys. Very nice box on these. I like the clouds and the red Jumpman going around, and then you still have the hit of the elephant print going all around the box. There's anything on the back. Red Jumpman, again, clouds, elephant print, and then the same on the bottom, more elephant print there. My trusty assistant Wishbone looking on. Let's see what happens when you take off the top of the box. Is there anything on the top of the box? No. Here is the paper. That's pretty cool that they have it wrapped up like this. A little wrapping bow. And then you see all the Korea paperwork there, or inside the paper. That's pretty nice. I like the presentation on this bad boy. So we'll go ahead and pull the string and undo it. Take that off, unwrap it. Paper is kind of thick. And, oh, shoes are double wrapped. Immaculate presentation on these bad boys. But here they are. Left shoe first, baby. These are the Seoul Air Jordan 3s, the 2.0 version of these. And look at the immaculate quality. Look at this, man. These are outstanding. Did anybody else go for these? What did you think? Let me know. Okay, I'm not done. Let's look closer at these, man. Look at the quality on the elephant print. That is nice, man. And you see the little stitching going around the toe box. This was intended to be a short, I'm sorry. But look at the quality. This is amazing, man. I just was about to put the shoe away and I just kept feeling around and looking around, and look at that, man. Nike Air on the cheeks. The shoe feels great. Look at the material going around. That looks like that's going to be very comfortable. You see the Seoul, Korea, or the Korean flag there. This is very nice materials here. I like that. Attention to details all around this bad boy. You got your Nike Air on the insole. The aged midsole there isn't so bad. It's not like in the pictures. To me, it looked like it was a lot darker, but in person, it's not as bad. It's not as bad at all. I really like the way that these look and feel, man. Your air tag there. I like the hit of blue going around on the lace holes there. I always switch mine up. So with threes, I switch mine up and I put them on the one here and one there. I skip the middle hole. It's more comfortable for me to wear them that way. Learned that from the OG Jumpman Bostic. But these are very nice, man. I want to say that the bottoms of the other one is flip color. Let me see. Let me pull out the right. I really like the presentation on these, man, and it made me want to continue with the video. I was really just planning to do a short here, but they knocked it out the park with the presentation on this one. Here is the right boy. Yep, it's reversed. So they have the red bottom with the blue Nike on the right. Nike Air on the cheeks yet again. Oh, and then on the tongue, instead of the Korean flag, you have the Jumpman. Very nice. Look at the quality, man. This is good quality here. Now, this is a shoe that I feel like I got my money's worth for from the Jumpman from Jordan. Look at that blue going around there. Nice. Nice, man. I'm all about comfy boys these days, and a lot of Jordans aren't really comfortable for me, but threes are. That's why I continue to get a lot of threes because threes are very comfortable. I like that, as I turn that, it's gray, but it kind of looks a bluish when you turn it. Might just be my lighting here. But yeah, man, these are very nice. I just wanted to bring a little bit more just so you can see what I was talking about here. If you look at the bottom that's the right. Oh, fumble. And here is the bottom of the left. You see that they are the opposites there. Very nice. Little details. Little details there. What do you think, Wishbone? What do you think? You think these are pretty smooth? I don't think he cares. But yeah, man. I just wanted to bring you a little bit more of these. I think these turned out very nice. Sorry for the delay. Sorry for just kind of sitting on these, but better late than never. And I'll holler at you all in the next video. Peace.